Good morning. Let me share something about color with you, which is extremely important because it's the reality of things that we relate to our sight, like red would equal strawberry. It would elicit a second perceptionary, uh, one of the five senses. Anyway, here is the sun. The sun emanates light out in every single direction. That's why every diagram shows this. When it hits Earth, there is a magnetosphere around it. So a straight wave, which comes directly from the cosmic light source and travels at the speed of light, by the way, it is filtered when it hits a water bubble and it refracts. When it refracts, it's split into the rainbow, like so. That's why we can make rainbows with a water hose. That's why we see a rainbow when there is rain and light and we are at the correct angle. But you can't see it from every angle. Remember? You have to have that hose pointed a certain direction in relation to the sun in order to see all the colors. That is life on Earth. Our moon is outside of a magnetosphere. We know that it has no atmosphere. That means that light from it travels in a straight line at the speed of sound, or sorry, the speed of light. And it is not broken into the visible spectrum. So that means that when sunlight hits it, or when it hits a flag on the surface, there's not diffused filtered light to create color for us to see. That is science. And it is time that NASA stop the bullshit. Because that organization is simply a cover for the military housing and hiding free energy, cures of illnesses, and life expectancy into at least 100 years. So if you enjoy paying medical insurance every month, if you enjoy putting gas in your tank, if you enjoy spending a monthly bill for electricity and gas, you go ahead and talk about NASA achieving ridiculous delusional things and waving an American flag in every single picture. You see, that's propaganda. If you notice it, it's always front and center in the camera, big red, white, and boo hoo. They make sure that it's visible, scamming all the citizens and spending a lot of money doing it too. Because the pyramids were built 5,000 years ago, it's highly unlikely that the people who built it would have simply abandoned it and left. They live below our feet in an area that we cannot go because we tried. We've tried to bore holes deep down because our government and other governments around the world are aware. They're actually aware that alien bases exist below our feet and that their entrances are out of the range of the human eye at submerged continental shelf. That we've shot down as they were exiting or entering with lasers. And we must have used their technology to do it. Because their ships are made of metal that can withstand forces. So if you live in a light polluted city, what you have above your head while you're seeing no stars at all is a Hollywood silver screen created by NASA. And the few stars that you can see have a red dot near it. Those are called drone stars. They shine light down, mimicking God. And that, friends, is where our UFO sightings have come from. A projector, an image to fool. Because if everybody's going like this, they're not going like this. Our government routinely confiscates with exceptional pay caves, caverns, and entrances into our ground. And then they shut it down. And they don't have public access anymore. Iron mines go about 2 miles deep. And now, all of the iron mines are closed, minus a very few. And they're regulated for safety, because that's the tag phrase. Government wants to keep us safe. That's what they say. So if they get reports of paranormal activity or ghosts or whatever you want to call it, they shut down the mine. Check it out. That's reality, folks. And the sooner we wake up, the better off we'll be.